So what's all this fuss we hear about gold, silver and copper recently in the news cycle? We're hearing words like crash. What does it all mean? And is it something we need to take seriously? Firstly, we have to understand that silver and copper are very different metals to gold in the fact that they can be substituted. Gold is hard to substitute for the likes of inflation or geopolitical risk. Silver and copper are easier to substitute. It's called substitution risk. Silver more so than copper, as you'll see with solar panel manufacturers, for instance. They're looking to substitute silver. Once it gets too expensive, they'll substitute it with other metals like copper, for instance. And this is one of the reasons why silver had a sharper fall than the other two metals in the recent crash. Another factor as to why silver has dropped more than the other two commodities is the fact that it had gone up so much, considerably more than gold, for instance. In the last year or so, it's up nearly 4 times, so 300%. So generally, the steeper the rise, the steeper the fall. So this is a daily chart in silver, so that's obviously a significant fall. However, let's compare it to gold. Let me get the gold chart up. So this is a daily one for gold as well, just over the last year. So you can see the fall is far less. It's obviously significant. You can see in the 29th of March, that was a precursor to the drop. There was like a massive 10% trading range there, you call that. And then the subsequent days, it's went down significantly. But however, the media has hyped it up saying there's a massive crash. But if you ever look at that, it's not so much of a crash at all. If you ever look at weekly, and let's draw gold out over 30 odd years, I mean, it is up massively. And to be frank, as long as we have these superpowers or wannabe superpowers with authoritarian leaders, we're always going to have this geopolitical risk, and this will favour assets like gold over the long term and in short term situations. So be wary of the news, be wary of the media hype, and also if you need help with your portfolio and construction or the design and management of your portfolio, please reach out to our website, whether that's for accumulating wealth or maybe securing your retirement.